Right. Get what?
Good time, damn it.
No, you should grab it in time. Damn it. No, give me my car. Oh! Alright, get in the car.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Okay, are you guys ready? Get in the fucking car! Are you guys ready? Ready your engines!
You suck!
Ah!
Oh, look at this trick!
I can't move my car. Oh shit! Alright, I was stuck in all my cameras, that's why. Look, Cooper's stuck. There we go. Someone froze all my tires. Oh god! Did you see that? I'm trying. Oh god! Oh, I'm stuck.
No.
Help me. Rhett, hit me. Hit me with your best shot, baby. I didn't even hit a single person.
Pizza delivery, man!
Oh god!
Wait, killing each other is the only way we can survive?
Yes, yes, there's no other way. Oh god. See?
I don't think
Kill him! Kill him! Kill him!
Can't hit me. Oh, you hit me.
Kill him! He's invincible! God damn it. Cooper, don't fall in!
Oh no!
No, Cooper!
Who fell?
Alright, are you ready? Ready your engines. Oh crap. I'm gonna freaking catch ya. Oh jeez, never mind. I'm not gonna catch ya. You can't pass. Oh my god, you just flew. Boom. What? Did you see that? No. Oh god. Okay, so I heard this is where we learn how to fly planes. Is that right?
This is the flight school. Now, are you goody be a flight school guy?
Or working here, I guess.
Well, no, you have to apply.
Wow, we
Job.
already got a job.
I don't
you
got a
did it.
job.
Mission is
YouTube
some-
isn't a job, right?
I don't know. Does it pay?
Yeah.
Mr. Robot, sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to put the gun on.
Elevator, get in the elevator! Quick! Close it, close it! Oh no! What happened? Run, run! Oh no, he's coming! Where do I hide? Where do I hide? Where do I hide?
If you
Where do I hide? Oh hey, you're still alive.
Magic.
He's gonna come.
Don't shoot me.
What's up, nerd?
That's one down. There's gotta be more of them.
Oh yes. There's a hive mind.
You have.
No, you're in the wrong seat. Get in the third seat.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Come on, come on. Open. Okay, it's open. Get in! What are you doing?
I had to save us. Go on. Stop me.
Oh!
We messed up.
Hello, is this Dr. Frank's? I just have like a little thing on my stomach that needs to get checked.
Alright, let's, I want you to lay down right here.
Alright.
There we go. Okay. So you said it's your stomach, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm a trained doctor. Shit, I can't.
You're not. You're stabbing your patient with a knife.
Okay,
It's
that
a scalpel.
Oh god, no.
Try the
Okay.
chainsaw.
I'm gonna. Oh, okay. Good suggestion. Where is that? Oh, here it is.
It's pretty good for healing. I heard.
How do I apply
Improv,
which target?
everybody.
How do I apply which target I want to heal?
Oh, what? What was that?
Again.
Right press ER at the same time I was trying to see if that would change it.